So it's really important to draw a concrete line between your personal life and your work life. And this can be done through creating literal boundaries. For example, not keeping your desk or where you work in the same space that you sleep, or creating habits around the start of your day and the end of your work day. So, for example, I literally close my laptop at the end of the day and I put it out of arm's reach. And that is my sign to myself to say, I'm done with work and now it's time for personal life.
When thinking about work-life balance, this is a very difficult topic. I think we're all learning as we're working in this new remote setup. I'm learning myself as we are growing as a company. But some suggestions that could be very useful is to really focus on the things that make you unplug and recharge, right? So for example, for me, something useful was removing Slack and emails from my phone. And by that, like when I finish work and I close my computer, I can finish work and not carry it always on. Then I guess my second advice will be consistency. Consistency in doing what makes you recharge and feel good, whether it's sports, being with your loved ones, hobbies, or just recharging and sleeping. Try to always be consistent in blocking time to do these activities on a regular basis. And plan ahead. Plan ahead, for example, vacation. Vacation is super important, so you can really recharge. And it's a great advice to really plan ahead and not really all of a sudden say like, oops, it's been 8 months and I didn't take any time off and I'm on the edge of burnout, right? So always plan ahead.